这是我跟 Gary 在台中在划船，准备要去钓鱼。目前深吗？一等级看不到。 反正我们水深现在14米，Gary 中鱼了，很小很小的杆子，很小很小的杆子，中巴浪，几条？
3条。
哦，一次3条，那么小的杆子3条，所以哦，回灰还是巴浪？
回灰。
回灰袂歹哦。 准备划回去。Gary 在那边。我们前面那边有一个白岸，也是准备好靠岸。我们现在离港口差不多3公里左右，然后从岸边差不多1.5公里。已经钓了差不多，我钓差不多40-50条，然后 Gary 差不多30-40条左右。
Comes down to the girls in town, gonna dress the place, seem to wear green-eyed, brown-eyed light. Other boys with desire and I, gonna lose their feet, gonna lose their mind in drinking, fight and sweat and lust. They play the game of weave and duck and dodge and hiding through the whole moral battle on the streets. Then we reach our destination, and this consolation will stop people consolation. Sadness and rags won't feel the pain of sadness and silks. Golden chains, take off your shirt and give it to the one with the coats. Shiny shoes, sadness and rags won't feel the pain of sadness and silks and golden chains. Take off your shirt and give it to the one with the coats and shiny shoes. The body nightclub door, and all the while now love is jaded, when all the memories are faded. Sadness and rags won't feel the pain of sadness and silks and golden chains. Take out your shirt and give it to the one with the coats and shiny shoes. Sadness and rags won't feel the pain of sadness and silks and golden chains. Take out your shirt and give it to the one with the coats and shiny shoes. Green-eyed, brown-eyed light. All the boys with desire and I, gonna lose their feet, gonna lose their mind in drinking, fight and sweat and lust. We'll play the game of weaving, ducking, dodging, hiding through the whole mortal battle on the streets. Then we reach our destination, and this consolation will stop people consolation. Sadness and rags will feel the pain of sadness and silks and golden chains. Take out your shirt and give it to the one with the coats and shiny shoes. Sadness and rags won't feel the pain of sadness and silks and golden chains. Take out your shirt and give it to the one with the coats and shiny shoes. Sadness and rags won't feel the pain of sadness and silks and golden chains. Take out your shirt and give it to the one with the coats